Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sip, Slips, and Makeup Tricks. I am Jeannie. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I upload anything new. I'm going to be having my June giveaway coming up very soon. I'm just waiting on some more packages to come be delivered. And it's going to be a good one this month. I've got some Anastasia Beverly Hills in there. Well, you know what? I'm not going to get into that. That's not what this video is for. But I've got a great giveaway coming up. And all you have to do is be subscribed. So those happen once a month. You don't want to miss your chance on those. So make sure you're subscribed and keep your eye out for that video. Today I'm here because I finally got my Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm still waiting on my Glam Bag Plus. But this is the $12 bag from Ipsy. It's $12. And it's got 5 items in it. Most of them are going to be deluxe size samples, but there are full size items here and there. And so this is the bag for June. You do get the bag included. It's super cute this month. I'm loving this vibe. This is like me. But anyhow, let's just jump on in. So the first item is this. It's the Pure Brazilian Smoothing Balm. This is for your hair. Now for me, I have super fine hair, so I have to be really careful with hair products because I need like weightless moisture. Otherwise, if my hair is weighed down, if anything is too heavy, it makes my hair look greasy. Even though I have extremely dry hair from bleaching it, it'll be greasy looking and weighed down and look like I barely have any hair. So I have to be careful what I use on my hair. But I will tell you, I got out of the shower, I used as directed. So I have fine hair. It says for fine hair, start 2 inches from the roots and on towel dried hair and put it on and comb it through and then blow dry or style as usual. Now for me with styling, I am a round brush and blow dryer girl. I know it's old school, but I've got fine hair. So flat ironing is gonna like literally make my hair way too flat where like it looks like I don't have any, so I need to volumize my hair when I'm going to wear it down. So blow drying with a brown brush is the way that I'm able to achieve what I need to do with my hair. And I will tell you, I used this today and I was so pleasantly surprised. I will probably buy a full size of one of these. This is a deluxe size sample. They say on the little card that comes with Ipsy that the full size goes for about $26. I would definitely pay that because when I was done doing my hair and I put my hands through it, and even now right now, this was hours and hours ago that I did my hair when I got out of the shower. I've been chasing after kids and been out in the humidity and been out to eat and like done all kinds of things since then. But in the beginning, my hair looked amazing. It looked shiny. It looked beautiful. And the way that it felt, that is what I can't get over. You guys know when you go get your hair done at the salon, and like you're walking out to get back to your car or driving home and you put your hands through it and you're like, what is their secret? Why doesn't my hair ever feel like this at home, right? Like, there's just nothing like getting out of the salon. Like, your hair just doesn't feel like that when you're doing it at home. That's what it felt like. I couldn't believe it. So I love this product. I'm definitely happy that I got it in my glam bag. Again, I mean, $12. You're not going to go wrong for, $12. It's not like some huge gamble. It's $12. So I'm really happy with that. Now, within these, you're able to customize one item. This was what I chose for this month. It is the YC Liquid Blush. This is in Freesia. I do have it on right now, and let me say, I do think it is beautiful, but it's more pigmented than I was thinking that it would be. And when you open it, it's got like almost like a little lip gloss sponge. And when I put it on, I just touched it to my face. I did 1, 2, 3, and then blended it in on both sides, like literally just touched it in 3 spots and blended it in, and that is how pigmented it is. So I do think it's a gorgeous color. I think the formula is very nice. It did not like sink into pores or have any type of funky look on my face. I think it's really, really nice, but I think in the future when I go to use it, I'll probably just do one dab and blend it out, possibly two, but not three or more, because it's just pigmented. It's very pigmented. But yeah, no, I'm really happy with this. And it says that this is a full-size item. So this is not a sample size. And the next thing is, I think this is called Kaylee. It is Cloud Soft Bod Vanilla. So it's just a lotion. I have not taken the safety seal off because I might put this into one of my monthly giveaways or pass it along to, I don't know, my niece or my sister or my mom or somebody, because I'm just not, I have a ton of lotions right now. So I can smell it through the container, and it smells kind of like sweet cupcakes or something. I'm sure it's probably a really nice lotion. It's just I have so many of them. I could probably would be okay if I passed it along to somebody else. So I'm okay with that. So it might go into a giveaway or go to one of my loved ones. So I'm not going to open it. Now, the next thing is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a lip gloss in Toffee. I will say I have that on right now. Brown shades on my lips is not my jam. I'm totally about either just clear gloss or a soft pink for my lips. I am not into brown shades. The formula feels amazing. It feels creamy, not sticky. It feels great. Just not my color. So since I've already tried it, there's probably only a couple people in the world that would even want it at this point, and I do think that this color would look great on my mom. So I'm probably going to give this to Mom. And the last item from Ipsy for this month is the Less Beauty Lower East Side eyeshadow palette. It's supposed to be inspired by the Lower East Side of New York. I don't know why. That's just what it says. But it's a cute little palette. It's like so mini. It's cute though. And what's crazy is it's mini, but it says that it's full size, worth $19. So anyhow, it's just a cute little palette with, they are all shimmer colors. And there's like a lighter mauve, and then two colors that are very similar that are darker than this, but a similar color, and then more of like an orangey color. But anyways, it's a cute little palette. This also may end up going into a giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch it. A giveaway either here on my channel or just to, you know, somebody that may want it. I have so many new palettes right now. So, I mean, I could definitely use this. But I think I may give it away. So I'm not going to touch it with my fingers on the little eyeshadow part. And then there is one more item. Now, this was something that I picked up on add-ons. So just like BoxyCharm, you can use your membership to buy things to add to your monthly subscription bags, or yeah. So anyhow, this is a lash and brow serum. I've never tried anything like this before, and I'm excited to give it a try. I have naturally really dark hair, but like the eyebrows of a total natural blonde. They're like non-existent. They're super light and sparse. So I'm excited to see, because it says lash and brow serum. It kind of smells like plastic, or I don't know. I didn't know if I would put it on my lashes, but I'm definitely going to try it on my brows. I mean, it's not going to hurt anything. I probably will put it on my lashes too. I did read some reviews before I bought it, and they all seem to say, well, I'm excited to try it, but if it hasn't been long enough to be able to tell you if there are any results. But I will definitely come back and let you know in a couple weeks if there were any results, because I'm going to start using it tonight. I think I'll probably do my brows and my lashes and just see what happens. I mean, they're not going to fall off, right? I hope not. So anyways, that is my Ipsy bag for June, and I'm still waiting on my Ipsy bag plus. And yeah, so the next video that I'm going to be uploading here is going to be a get ready with me video. I've got so many new products that I can't wait to try, so I'm going to do a full face of makeup. on a get ready with me video. It's probably either going to be Sunday or Monday while I'm getting ready for my shift for work. So keep your eye out for that. That's going to be really fun. And then the next video after that is going to be either my Ipsy Bag Plus when that comes, or yeah, that'll be the next video after that. And then the next one after that will be my June giveaway. And I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it this month. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, have a great night, you guys.